Team, set your first five. Ball goes to Burgos. Dalisay, no. Rebound by Trafanco. Magapuro, no good. Rebound by Dalisay. Pull up, no good. Trafanco. That's an offensive foul on Trafanco. Jersey number 29. Trafanco. Baseball pass. Steal. No good. Follow up, no basket. Trafanco again to Hilado. To Magapuro. Easy 2 points for Magapuro. Dalisa now. Short. It's a traveling. Shot clock 14. Dalisay starting to play. Shot clock 10. No good. Hilado now. Magapuro. Nice pass. Nakalusot. No good. That's a turnover for Jocares. Ball goes to Gomez. Hilado. Pull up. No good. Samsona. Nice defense and the foul. That's on jersey number 17. Pushing foul. First personal foul. No basket. No basket. Ball goes to Gomez. Magapuro will start the play. Trafanco penetrates. Pull up. No good on the bank shot. Jocares now. No good. No basket. No basket. Jocares nice pass but no good. Block. Shot clock 8. Dalisay now. jump ball goes to Barangay Gomez. 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Hilado, in and out. Same ball. Magapuro, pull up. Basket count. Dalice now. Bounce. Pull up, no basket. Rebound. Nice pass. Basket count on Hilado. 6 minutes and 20. Jocares. Back to Jocares. Shot clock down to 10. Basket 2 points for Jersey 30. Hilado hesitates but fires. No good. Nice rebound and a foul. That's a foul on jersey number 99. Illegal use of hands and a substitution. Basket count. Jocares. 3 points for Jocares. Shot clock 10. Syndico. Basket 2 points. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Salgado fires a long 3, in and out. Hilado now for the rebound. Hilado, no good. Magapuro, basket count from Magapuro. Salgado, back again to Salgado. Steal by Trafanco. Magapuro to Hilado. Fires a 3. No. Same ball. Trafanco. Syndico. Block. And there's a whistle on jersey number 29, Trafanco. That's your second personal foul. Nice pass, Jocares is blocked. Hilado. Spin move now. But a foul on jersey number 1. I'm sorry, 13. 17, that's your second personal foul. Substitution. Salgado, no basket. Jocares will save it. Pull up, no good. Offensive rebound. Magapuro. Bank shot, no good. Save. Magapuro fakes. Nice pass. Shot clock 10. Hilado. Basket count using the glass. 3 minutes and 13. Fires short. Nice save. Shot clock down to 8. Abawag fires, no good. Alvarez. Nakuha pa. Wala man. Ball goes to Burgos. Substitution. Shot clock 14. Salgado will set the play. Shot clock 10. Samsona. No good. Outside. Substitution. 12 to shoot. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 8. 5. This is shot clock violation. Two minutes and 15. Magapuro is setting the play for Gomez. They're taking up 2 screens to Hilado. Hilado, nakalusot. Hook shot is good. Substitution. Magapuro, 1 minute and 50 on the first quarter. Magapuro now fires a 3. No good. Palermo, too strong. Salgado now, contested by Magapuro. Sidestepping, basket count using the glass. 1 minute and 30. Task score. Palermo, pass to Duran, fakes and fakes. Ball goes to Burgos. 1 minute and 14. 1 minute and 14. Salgado will set the play. Passengers is 0, shot clock down to 10. 1 minute remaining. Jocares, nice pass. Same ball. Substitution. Shot clock 5 seconds. Shot clock 5 seconds. Lopez fakes. Layup, too strong. Shot clock 10. Jocares, no. Follow-up is good on jersey number 99. 35 seconds. Magapuro, pull up. No basket. Lopez for the rebound. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Lopez. Shot clock 10. There's a whistle. And a foul, jersey number 17. Third personal foul on jersey number 17. No basket. 11 seconds. 11 na lang. No. De La Torre. 10. 8. Basket. 5. And that's the end of the first quarter with a score of 13-15 in favor for Barangay Gomez. Back into the game. Alvarez. Nice block. Rivera, Secondes. There's a foul on jersey number 11. Aligata. Magapuro, no good. Rivera for the rebound. Pass to Trafanco. No basket. Back again to Trafanco. To Magapuro. Sindico. Nakalusot. No basket. Trafanco again. Shot clock 10. Pull up. Short. Jocares. Lopez. Basket. May kasama pang foul. And that's on jersey number 07, Sindico. First personal foul. Lopez, complete 3 points on a bonus throw. Magapuro now to Rivera. Shot clock 10. Agaw. Salgado. Basket count. Shot clock 10. No. Basket down. Done. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Jocares. No good on the three. Sindico, offensive rebound. Magapuro. Rivera now. Shot clock 10. Sindico. Bounce and bounce. Pass to Rivera to Trafanco. No basket. Ilang Japon. Magapuro, no. Now Lopez. Nice defense. Offensive rebound. Agana. Rivera now. Sindico. Now Lopez. Basket count. And a foul on jersey number 71. At 26. Trafanco. Lopez, basket, bonus throw. Palermo. Tumagapuro. Trafanco fires a three, no good. Rebound by Abawag. Six minutes and 40. Abawag. Fakes, fires a three. No good. Palermo for the rebound. Looking for Trafanco. Now Trafanco. No good. Offensive rebound by Lopez. Lopez now. Fires a three. 3 points on Lopez. Trafanco. Layup, basket, 2 points on Trafanco. Lopez again. Shot clock 10, no good. Abawag, wala man. Trafanco, baseball pass to Magapuro, easy. No basket! Too strong. Salgado. Abawag is free. No good. No good. Rivera for the rebound. To Trafanco. Nakalusot. Nagwa pa bola. Basket count for Hilado. And time out, Barangay Burgos. And thank you so much, SK Sang Miranda. Maraming salamat sa pamahaw. Our score is 24-21. 3-point lead by Barangay Burgos. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 7. 5 minutes and 7. Our score is 24-21. Time is 5 minutes and 7. 5 and 7.
Hola.
5 minutes and 7. Lopez, no good. There's a foul on jersey number 27, 29. Third personal foul on Trafanco. No good. Lopez for the offensive rebound. 10 to shoot. Let's see, traveling. 4 minutes and 48. Trafanco, first 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Lopez. Nice pass, nice steal. Shot clock 17. Garilao. Shot clock 10. Samsona. Pull up, no good. Nice rebound. Dua sila, same ball. Shot clock 14. Bench and team paliyag na sa mga basura tayo. Boy na sa basurahan. Again, bench for both teams. Ang mga basura tayo may basurahan na siga. Salamat. There's a foul. And that's on jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. His first personal foul. Fires, no good. Nice block. Trafanco. Now Palermo. Española layup, too strong. Agaw man. Hilado nakalusot, may kasama pang foul. And a foul on jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 is on first personal foul and substitution. Complete three-point play from Hilado. Garilao. To Samsona. Nice pass. Basket count. Hilado now. Nakalusot. And a foul. That's on jersey number 99. De La Torre. Second personal foul. Basket. Complete. Nice block. Lopez. Shot clock down to... It's a jump ball. Ball goes to Gomez. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Trafanco, 3 points on Trafanco. Lopez, contested by Hilario. Shot clock 10. Rivera. Palermo, 2 points for Palermo. Our score is 26-31. 5-point lead by Gomez. 2 minutes and 10. Foul. That's on jersey number 14, Rivera. First personal foul. And a penalty. Substitution. Substitution. Hilado now to Palermo to Trafanco, fakes. Shot clock 15. Trafanco, basket count, 2 points. Shot clock 10. No good. Nagawa ng bola. Balik sa Burgos. Agaman. Save by Hilado. Nabuyan pa. Time out, Barangay Burgos. 1 minute and 12. 1 minute and 12. Jocares. Samsona, shot clock down to 10. 55 seconds. Agaw. Hilado now. Layup short. Jocares, wala. And a foul on jersey number 21. Palermo, first personal foul. Basket, 37 seconds. No. Ilaluwat. No basket. Palermo. Agaw. Agaw man. Pinawi. Palermo now. No good. $18. 15. 10. 8. No basket. 5.